America faces a serious problem. Our bridges are aging, and the situation is becoming increasingly dire. Many were built decades ago, during a time when infrastructure demands were different. The American Society of Civil Engineers gives a C grade to our infrastructure, highlighting the urgent need for action. That's like a passing grade, but barely. It indicates that our bridges are just scraping by. We've all seen the headlines, warning us of the impending dangers. Bridges closed for emergency repairs, causing major disruptions. Weight limits imposed on trucks, affecting commerce and daily commutes. These are not just inconveniences. They are warning signs of a larger issue. The problem is bigger than any one bridge. It's a nationwide crisis. It's about a system under strain, struggling to keep up with modern demands. Years of deferred maintenance have taken their toll, leaving us with a crumbling infrastructure. The cost of fixing it all is staggering. Politicians argue about funding, but action is slow. Meanwhile, the cracks continue to spread, threatening safety and stability. We need a new approach, one that addresses the root of the problem. We can't just keep patching things up. Temporary fixes are not enough. We need a way to find the problems before they become disasters, using advanced technology. We need to be smarter about how we maintain our infrastructure, leveraging data and innovation. The answer might lie in a technology that's rapidly changing the world around us: artificial intelligence. With AI, we can predict and prevent failures before they happen. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is everywhere these days. It's in our phones, our cars, and even our homes. From voice assistants to smart thermostats, AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily routines. But AI isn't just for making our lives easier. It's also revolutionizing industries and transforming how we approach complex problems. One of the most promising applications of AI is in addressing our crumbling infrastructure. Our bridges, for example, are in dire need of attention. Imagine this: AI systems that can analyze images of bridges, looking for tiny cracks or signs of stress. These systems can work tirelessly, providing continuous monitoring. These systems could analyze data from sensors, detecting subtle shifts or vibrations that might indicate a problem. This isn't science fiction. It's a reality that's unfolding. This technology is being developed right now in labs and research centers around the world. The benefits of using AI for infrastructure repair are clear. It can lead to more efficient and effective maintenance strategies. Early detection of problems means less downtime, lower repair costs, and most importantly, increased safety for everyone who relies on these structures. AI can help us move from reactive maintenance to proactive maintenance, ensuring that issues are addressed before they escalate. We can fix problems before they become disasters, ultimately saving lives and resources. The future of infrastructure maintenance is here, and it's powered by AI. The good news is that we're already seeing examples of AI being used to improve infrastructure. In some cities, AI